Welcome back to the channel, everyone. It's Suman Anand, and today we're diving into the fascinating world of billionaire investing. You see it all the time in those glossy magazines. Billionaires on yachts, private jets, and with more money than they could ever spend. But have you ever stopped to wonder how they actually got there? What are the strategies these financial titans use to not only maintain but grow their incredible wealth? That's exactly what we're going to uncover in this video as we break down the secrets of billionaire investing. We're going to pull back the curtain and reveal the specific asset classes, strategies, and mindsets that the ultra-wealthy use to make their money work for them. And who knows? Maybe you can pick up a thing or two for yourself along the way. Whether you're just starting your investing journey or consider yourself a seasoned pro, understanding how billionaires approach investing can offer invaluable insights that can potentially elevate your own financial game. So buckle up, grab your notepad, and let's get started. Now, you might be picturing billionaires throwing all their money into risky tech stocks or gambling on the latest cryptocurrency craze. And while some might dabble in those areas, the real secret to building lasting wealth, the kind that gets you on those Forbes lists, is actually quite boring: diversification. Think of it like this. Even if you stumble upon a winning lottery ticket and become an overnight millionaire, if you put all that money into a single investment and it goes south, well, you can kiss your newfound fortune goodbye. Billionaires understand this better than anyone. They've reached the top by being incredibly strategic and risk-averse with their wealth. That's where diversification comes in. It's the idea of not putting all your eggs in one basket, as the old saying goes. Billionaires spread their investments across a range of asset classes, things like real estate, stocks, bonds, private equity, and even alternative investments like art or collectibles. This approach acts as a safety net. If one area of the market takes a hit, they're not overly exposed. Instead, they have other investments to cushion the blow and, in many cases, even capitalize on market downturns. But diversification isn't just about minimizing risk, it's also about maximizing returns. By strategically allocating their capital across different asset classes, billionaires can take advantage of growth opportunities in various sectors of the economy, maximizing their chances of achieving long-term financial success. Let's face it, everyone understands real estate. It's tangible, it's a necessity, and it often evokes a sense of security and legacy that other investments just can't match. It's no surprise then that real estate is a cornerstone of many billionaire portfolios. But we're not just talking about your average rental property here. Billionaires often invest in a diversified portfolio of real estate, from sprawling commercial properties and luxury hotels to vast tracts of undeveloped land and even entire city blocks. Think about it. Every time you shop at a mall, stay at a hotel, or even work in an office building, you're contributing to the cash flow of a real estate investor, and quite possibly, a billionaire. These assets generate a steady stream of passive income through rent payments and leases, providing a solid foundation for their overall wealth. Beyond the consistent income, real estate offers the potential for significant appreciation over time. As populations grow and cities expand, the value of well-located properties tends to rise, often dramatically. Billionaires with their long-term investment horizons are perfectly positioned to capitalize on these trends. And let's not forget the tax advantages that come with real estate investing. From depreciation deductions to capital gains deferrals, the tax code is often favorable to real estate investors, allowing billionaires to preserve and grow their wealth even more effectively. Now let's step into the exciting world of startups and innovation. This is where private equity and venture capital come into play, and it's an area where billionaires often make some of their most substantial returns. Imagine being an early investor in companies like Amazon, Google, or Facebook before they became the behemoths they are today. That's the allure of private equity and venture capital, the potential to get in on the ground floor of the next big thing and reap the rewards of exponential growth. Billionaires, with their vast resources and connections, are uniquely positioned to navigate this high-stakes world. They have the capital to invest in promising startups and private companies that most individual investors simply can't access. But it's not just about throwing money at any new idea. Billionaires often have teams of expert analysts and advisors who rigorously vet potential investments, looking for companies with disruptive technologies, innovative business models, and visionary leaders. Of course, investing in startups and private companies comes with its own set of risks. Not every venture will succeed, and in fact, many will fail. But by diversifying their private equity and venture capital investments across a range of companies and industries, billionaires can mitigate those risks and increase their chances of hitting those home runs. Now, even billionaires understand the importance of building a solid foundation for their wealth, and that's where stocks and bonds come in. While they might not have the same allure as private equity or real estate, these traditional asset classes play a crucial role in any well-diversified portfolio. Think of stocks and bonds as the bread and butter of investing. Stocks represent ownership in publicly traded companies, giving you a piece of their profits and potential for growth. Bonds, on the other hand, are like loans to governments or corporations that pay you a fixed interest rate over a set period. Billionaires typically have a mix of both stocks and bonds in their portfolios, carefully balanced to align with their risk tolerance and investment goals. They might invest in blue-chip stocks, which are shares of well-established, financially sound companies known for their stability and dividend payments, or they might allocate a portion of their portfolio to growth stocks, which are shares of companies that are expected to grow at an above-average rate. These stocks offer the potential for higher returns but also come with higher volatility. On the bond side, billionaires might invest in government bonds, considered among the safest investments in the world, or corporate bonds, which offer higher yields but also carry more risk. It's all about finding the right balance and adjusting the allocation over time as market conditions change. Now here's a trend we're seeing more and more of among billionaires. Impact investing, or investing with a conscience. It's no longer just about making money, it's about making a difference in the world. Billionaires are increasingly putting their money into companies and organizations that are aligned with their values, whether it's promoting environmental sustainability, advancing social justice, or supporting ethical business practices. This shift towards impact investing isn't just driven by altruism, though that certainly plays a part. Billionaires are also recognizing that investing in companies that are making a positive impact on the world is not only socially responsible, but also financially savvy. Consumers are becoming more conscious of the social and environmental impact of their purchasing decisions, and they're increasingly supporting businesses that align with their values. This shift in consumer behavior is creating new markets and investment opportunities, and billionaires are taking notice. So, whether it's investing in renewable energy, sustainable agriculture, or companies that promote diversity and inclusion, billionaires are realizing that they can use their wealth to not only generate financial returns but also create a more just and sustainable world. So there you have it, a glimpse into the world of how billionaires invest their money. Of course, these are just a few of the many strategies they use, and it's important to remember that their approaches can be as diverse as their portfolios. But the key takeaway here is that building wealth, the kind that lasts for generations, requires a long-term perspective, a strategic approach to risk, and a willingness to adapt to changing market conditions. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about the fascinating world of finance and investment, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep reaching for your financial goals. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights into the world of finance and investment. See you next time.